Hey YouTube, if you know how to read, you probably know what this video is about. If not, I'm about to teach you how to take your trucks off, which is pretty simple, but I'm bored, and I was going to do this anyways, so I thought I might make a video about it. I have vintage trucks, and they were on my very horrible, it's horrible now. When I bought it, it was amazing. Horrible element board, but the trucks and the wheels are still salvageable. So I'm going to teach you, / kind of learn myself, how to take these off. Alright, so first off you need a wrench that can be adjustable, like this, and you need to adjust it to be able to fit the nuts on the bottom of the board. Okay? So once you can do that, board over for you, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to take the one that you have it fitted to, and you're going to hold that one on the bottom straight while you lefty-loosey with this one. That's right, use the words lefty-loosey. So, I don't have a very comfortable way of showing you this. We can try this. I don't know how. Improvising. Must make chair go down. Okay. Almost there. Almost. There we go. That's good. Alright, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna have that one. So yeah, that's how that works. Except that's not what. Okay. Hopefully this works now. Alright. So yeah. Okay, so you do that, and about three times later, you do that 3 times later, you'll have a truck off. 7 times later, you'll have 2 trucks off, if I did math right. Another tip would be, it's really handy to have a magnet to hold these nuts and bolts so that you don't lose them. Also, a surface like a cloth that you can set the trucks on when you're done, so that it doesn't scratch up what you're working on, whether it's a desk like mine, which is a nice desk, or a table or floor. So yeah, give me feedback. Nah.